Our forests are full of life, a precious gift we all depend on. For the next generation, for their dreams, and for a planet where they can thrive. Together, we can turn waste into opportunity and build a truly sustainable future. At Workplace, we ensure that our packaging is made from eco-friendly, fully recyclable materials. Sustainability doesn't stop at packaging. It extends to how we deliver. Our products are carefully loaded onto electric vehicles, ensuring a cleaner, emission-free journey. Every delivery carries not just quality, but a promise to protect what matters and drive toward a greener tomorrow. At the site, our team installs the furniture with precision and care, creating workspaces built for the future. Our commitment doesn't end with delivery. After installation, we take back the packaging, giving it a new life, because every box deserves a second chance. Once retrieved, the packaging returns to our facility, where it is repacked and prepared for its next delivery. The waste wood from your project is not discarded. It begins a new journey. We transform these leftover materials into useful small products, crafted with care, designed with purpose. Every piece is given new life, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. And then, we bring it full circle, delivering these sustainable creations back to you. Because we know, it's more than just business. It's a promise for tomorrow.